Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to Picoin mining rate. Assuming your mining rate is 5.3, that is, let's go to our calculator. That is, you're going to have times 24 hours. This is the amount of coin you'll be able to mine in a day if you have 5.3 as your mining rate. What about if your mining rate is rate to the extent of 0.1? Let's multiply it by 24 hours, so you'll just be mining 2.4 Picoin in a day, which is very low. Okay, in order to increase your mining rate in Picoin, this is what you have to do. Go to your Pi app, click on the three lines found at the top left corner of your screen, click on Pi browser. Right here on my Pi browser, I just have to sign in to Pi browser. So the next thing I have to do is to click on profile option. So right here on my profile option, you're going to see an option that says find other pioneers. So if there's any Pi user that you know his or her username, you just have to type it in like this. And click on search. You just have to click on the follow option in order to follow this person, and also send a friend request to this person so that this person will also follow you, get notified and follow you on your Pi network. So as this person follow you, as you follow this person, you increase the chance of Pi mining rates to increase on your Pi network. You can also search for my username. In order to follow me, I will also follow you. My username is Felicia Uzamaka. To see your friend on Pi network, click on the view friends. So here you're going to see the list of friends that are in your username, and if you click on the request option, you also see the list of friends that sent requests for you to be their friend on Pi network. So if you want to be my friend, please just search for my name, Felicia Uzamaka. Automatically, immediately I see your friend request, I will accept you immediately and also follow you immediately. So I will be waiting for your friend request so that our Pi network will mine fast and will also have much coin. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and do not forget to hit notification bell to get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.